Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view all of those devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in. So if you wonder where you have logged in with your current account credentials, then what you can do is that first you need to tap on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you do this, you will be landed onto the settings and activity page. And now here you need to click on this account center button right here, and once you do that you will be landed to the meta account center. Just simply click on this password and security tab. So once that opens, you can see this option which says where you are logged in. Simply tap here and then tap here, and here you can see all of those devices on which your account has been currently logged in. So in my case, I am currently logged in only to this particular device, and you can see the location as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.